In this video, you'll learn how to easily add a drop-down list in DocuSign, helping you create more interactive and professional documents in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the DocuSign website using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button and enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly sign up to get started. After logging in, you'll be taken to the DocuSign dashboard, where you can manage your documents and templates. From here, navigate to the Templates section and select a template that fits your needs. Next, fill in the necessary document details, such as recipient information and any required fields. Take a moment to review everything to ensure accuracy, then click the Next button to continue. Now, you'll move to the document editing stage. Look for the Field Options panel and select the drop-down field. Drag and drop it onto your document wherever you want the list to appear. Once placed, customize the drop-down options by adding the choices you want users to select from. This allows you to tailor the field to your specific document requirements. After setting up your drop-down list, review the document to make sure everything is correctly positioned and functioning as expected. When you're satisfied, your document is ready to be sent for signing. That's it. You now know how to add a drop-down list in Document quickly and efficiently. Keep exploring more features to further enhance your document workflow.